Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock a page on Canva in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to unlock page or elements in Canva, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To unlock a page or elements on Canva, first of all, open the Canva app on your computer or go to the Canva website. Once you're on Canva, open the design where the page or elements are locked. Sometimes, elements or entire pages are locked to prevent accidental editing. Currently, I am unable to edit any of the designs inside this because this page is locked. If a page is locked, you'll see a small lock icon on the page or on the selected element. Once the design page is open, look at the top of the design, you'll see a lock icon. Click on the lock icon once. It will change to an open lock, which means the item is now unlocked. Now you can edit each element on this design. If it's an element that is locked, like in this design, here I can edit this picture and background color, but I cannot edit this text. In this case, only this text is locked. So, first, click on the locked text or element. A pop-up menu appears showing a locked icon. Just click on this locked icon to unlock the selected element. Once unlocked, you can move, resize, or edit the page or elements as needed.